I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I have applied some new nail tips and we are ready for a fresh set. So this time we are going to be going ahead and sculpting a full set on my lovely client here. So I'm coming in with the Nail Mate forms and I'm just removing the centerpiece, leaving the tab closed, and then we're just going to go ahead and apply these to the fingers. I just do a couple at a time to make sure that they are staying on sturdy and strong. So once I've applied the forms, I'll come in and I'll sculpt a clear base and then we'll get into the design. So for this first nail, I'm coming in with the three colours that I have chosen, and it's this teal, green, blue, a purple and a pink. I'm applying those as a short ombre on the nail, and then I'm going to come in and add some glitters as well, just to make it all fancy. The glitters that I'm using are from Glitter Planet. The brush is, I think it's the number 10. Yeah, the number 10 magic stick, and the nail forms are also from glitterplanetuk.com. I'll have everything linked down below for you guys, and you can also use my 10% off discount code, which is NINJA10. Finished doing the design, I'm coming in and I'm just going to remove that nail form so that I can show you guys a side view of how this tip looks on the nail. So you'll see that it's quite raised up. Now with this silicone hand you do have the option of gluing the tip down, but for fastness of use and ease of doing a fresh set straight away, then you don't have to soak off. It's just easy to sort of like pop the nail tip in there, but as you can see it's really raised up off that nail bed area where it's meant to be pressed down. So I am going to try a number of different tips and see if any of them make a difference, but for now I am not liking the way that this looks from the side view, but above it's quite alright, if you know what I'm saying. Moving on to the next nail, I'm going to go ahead and create a nice marbled nail. I'll be using all of the colours as well as the glitters just to make it all fancy and make everything flow. So I'll just go ahead and do that and then I'll be right back. So now I've finished the marble nail, I'm coming in, and for this nail I'm just going to go ahead and do a bright pink neon nail, and then I'll move on to the pinky finger, which for that one I'm just going to do an ombre of the purple and the teal or mint green colour. That way it's kind of keeping a blank canvas almost, just with the colour through, and I'm going to apply the Aurora holographic pigment over the top. And for this set, guys, I really did let it down. I'm not being funny or anything, but it was seriously late at night. And you know when you're sort of like midway through and you're like, oh, I should totally add some bling or add some nail art or just do something on top, because the finished set did look bomb, but it just needed some like blinging up. It needed some 3D flowers, some crystals, just anything really would have made this set even more bomb than it already was. But I was so tired, I literally just wanted to jump in bed. Most of the time when I'm filming, I've been working all day, and then we've got the kids to deal with, then we've got the house to sort out, and then get the kids to bed and everything. After we've done homework and got them bathed and everything like that, taking care of RSVP to party invitations, you know, all the crazy shit that you gotta do as a parent. And then I usually end up filming after that, so I don't start filming until really late. So by the time I'm finished, it's like into the next day. So you guys are even lucky that I get anything out that's half decent, to be honest, because I never film when I'm at my fully best, which is tragic. Really, it's tragic. But you guys can sort of, you know, add your own swing and twist to things. You can add some crystals. I'm just kind of giving you the basic idea and basic inspiration for you guys, and hopefully it helps. Hopefully you're still enjoying my videos. But yeah, just thought I'd add that in there whilst I go ahead and top coat these nails. And of course I forgot to film adding the Aurora holo, but this is how it looks. It's absolutely stunning. So guys, this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a super simple set, but you could totally go over the top with it, add some crystals, some 3D work and bling. It would look absolutely bomb. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. I'll leave the link down below for everything, including the practice hand as well, which by the way, just want to mention, I purchased with my own money because I thought it looked incredible. I really wanted to try it and invest in it, and guys, I can recommend it to you guys. I did have one slight problem with it, as I've mentioned previously, but Liz was very helpful. We have worked together to sort of make it an even better product than it already was, so I can highly recommend it. I am waiting for a new half a hand in the post, so I can't wait to review that for you guys as well. So look out for that video coming when I actually receive the hand. Obviously I'm still just waiting on it to arrive, but I am so excited. So I hope you've enjoyed this video once again. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. And please guys, always remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye! Just showing you bits of the hand, like how the nail tips fit and everything like that. And then I'll also go ahead and remove these tips to show you guys how easy removal is. Then that's going to be the end of the video. I know I prematurely said goodbye, but you know, I didn't know what I was doing because I forgot. But here it is, the removal of these tips. Super easy, and all you do then is just go ahead and put some more in and you're ready to do another design. Bye!
I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.